Teacher.
Good morning, teacher. You're gonna make a noise. Hello, you're gonna make a teacher. You make a you are microphone.
Teacher.
Microphone. Teacher.
There you go. Good morning, everybody. Better? All right, because I know that I was told that when I play a video, I have to turn off my microphone.
Microphone.
Check this. I wonder if that is something we can use. Oh. Huh. Okay. All right. So good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing good. We good? That means good. That means okay. Oh. All right. So we're going to start with the yellow book. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And we're starting on page. Wrong page. This one. Page 26. All right. Page 26. All right. So everybody follow that. All right, we've been doing a lot of addition. Now we're starting to learn subtraction. What's subtraction? Do you guys know what subtraction means? Addition means you're taking 3 pencils and 2 pens. So I got 3 pencils. And I've got 2 Star Wars pens.
Me too.
I have 5. That's addition.
Me too.
All right. What's subtraction? What's subtraction? Any ideas?
Yeah.
It's the opposite of addition. Addition, ready? I have 3 pencils.
3 pencils. 3.
Together I have 5. We go the other way. I have 5 things to write with. I take away 3 pencils. And I've got 2 pens. All right. Addition is going up. Subtraction is going down. All right. So let's have a look at this first page. I'll show you a little video a little bit later, and it's got addition and subtraction in it, okay? Addition's going up, subtraction's going down. All right, let's call this first one up. Say good morning, hello, and how are you? Here we go. All right, I'm gonna zoom this up. You're gonna need to see this a little closer. Woohoo, here we go. Okay, so we've got addition and subtraction. All right. All right. All righty. All right, that helps. Okay, so we got addition and subtraction. So addition is going up. You're counting up, and subtraction, you are counting down. Okay, so let's have a look. This is addition. We have 6 blue chairs, and we have 12 red chairs. How many chairs do we have? 6 plus 12.
18.
You're right, equals 18, or 12 red chairs and 6 blue chairs. So this way we are going up. We're trying to find out how many chairs we have all together. All right, so let's look at the subtraction part.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yes. Subtraction means we have a total number, but we gotta find out how many of each there are, which means we have to go from our total down. So let's have a look. we have our total of 18. We know that, right? There's 18 chairs. But we want to find out how many are blue and how many are red. So let's have a look. How many red ones are there? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 18 chairs altogether, and now we know we have 12 red chairs and 6 blue chairs. So let's say we have 18 chairs right here. And we take away all the red chairs. How many chairs do we have left?
6.
Yeah, so we're taking away this time. All right, so we're going from a big number to a smaller number. All right, so there are 12 red chairs. So here we go. It can be 6 plus 12 equals 18. That's going up. Or 12 plus 6 equals 18. That's addition. Now we're going to do subtraction. We can have 18. We take away 12, and we have 6 left. Or we have 18, and we take away 6, and we have 12 left. Okay? So addition goes up, subtraction goes down. All right? So subtraction, you want to find the parts, which means if you've got a whole number like, let's take a whole number like 12, okay, and I've got blue apples and green apples and red apples.
Do you have blue apples?
I got 12 apples, and I want to take away.
You say you have blue apples.
Yeah, I know. I should have said green. And I take away 6 green apples. How many red apples do I have left?
6.
Yeah. Okay. So this makes us find we have a total. I have a total. These are things to write with. I have a total of 5 things to write with. All right. I want to take away my 3 pencils. I have 2 pens left. All right. So we're going from a big number to a small number. Kind of so we add goes up, subtraction goes down. Let's have a little, zoom this out a little bit. Here we go. All right, so before we do that, I'm going to show you a little video that's got some addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is a video and it uses Lego. Some things are going to be addition and some of them are going to be subtraction. All right, so some of the things will add and some of the things will minus. Those are the words we use, okay? So let me show you a little. I'm not going to show it all right now. I'll show you a little bit. Okay, and it is addition and subtraction together. And it uses Lego, so.
There were 4 people in the bookstore. Two of them left. How many people are in the bookstore now?
2.
4 minus 2 is?
2.
2. 2 people were in the car.
2. Oh my crap, is that so bad?
Another person got in the car.
But I was doing to count. 3. Then I was doing the 3.
How many people are in the car now?
3.
2 plus 1 is?
3.
3. There were 7 dogs in the room. 7 dogs escaped. How many dogs are in the room now? 7 minus 7 is 0.
Yes.
There were 3 students in the music class.
3.
2 more students joined them.
2.
How many students are in the music class now? 3 plus 2 is 5. There were 5 mice near the trash cans. Iron Man showed up and 4 of them ran away. How many mice are left? 5 minus 4 is 1.
Teacher, open microphone.
Thank you. All right, so you got that one, right? Adding goes up, subtraction goes down. All right, so let's have a look back at our page. Those are pretty easy numbers too. All right, let's do this one here. Oh, sorry, I have to call it up. All right, we'll look at that a little bit later, but you got the idea. Okay, addition and subtraction. You guys knew all those.
I love the element.
Yeah, I know. They had everybody likes Lego. Who doesn't, right? All right, so we're not going to work in pairs. We'll work together. Open two nines. Write an addition equation. Get your partner to write a family of additions and subtract. Oh, okay. So I have 9 sweets. Sweets are like candy. They call them candy. All right, so I have 9 pieces of candy. Tom has 5 pieces of 5 pieces of candy. The what?
14.
Okay, well, how many do we have total? 14. All right. So we got to, and here how they'll write it all different ways. So we got to write this 4 different ways. 9 plus 5 equals 14. What's another way to do the plus? What plus what equals 14? We have 9 plus 5 equals 14. What's another way to write that?
5 plus 9. 14. 14.
And how do we do a subtraction?
9 or 14.
14.
14.
We say, oops, wrong one. We say minus. We either say the words minus or subtract. All right? So 14 minus 5 equals, oops, equals what?
Nine.
The other way to write that is 14. Minus 14 minus 9. Oops, equals 5. All right, so we have one equation that can be written 4 different ways. All right, so I don't want to, let's stay here, okay? So I want you to make up your own equation, which means look for something on your desk or around you and make one up. So I'm going to use my pencils because I got lots of those. No, let's use my clips. Let me get my clips. They're a lot better than pencils. All right. I have 3 blue clips. I think that one's blue. I think it is. And I have 2 orange clips. All right. So I have 3 blue. I can't get them all. Here we go. All right. I have 3 blue clips, and I have 2 orange clips. How many clips do I have together?
5.
All right. So how it looks is
5.
I can either do 5 plus 3 equals, 2 plus 3. My boo-boo. It doesn't want to go. There we go. 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 3 plus 2 equals 5. Both the same. All right. Now I go the other way. Now I do subtraction. Let me get so I can see you guys. Here we go. Subtraction. I have 5 clips. I take away 2 orange clips. And how many do I have left?
2.
Right. Or I have 5 clips. I take away my 3 blue clips. How many do I have?
2.
That's my subtraction one. All right. So I start with 5. I start with 5. And I take away 5. I take away 3, and that equals 2. Or I have 5, and I take away 2. Sorry, I have 5. I take away 2, and that equals 3. All right. So I just did 4 equations for something simple like this. All right. Any bigger clips or smaller hands. All right. So I did 4 equations just on this. I want you to do the same thing. So I want you to look around what's around you. Okay. Look at something that's around you. And I want you to pick any number you want. I could use pencils. All right. I have 4 pencils and 2 pens. All right. I have 4 pencils and 2 Star Wars pens. I've got, you're right. Or I have 6 things to write with. I take away 4 pencils. I've got
2.
You're right. Or I've got 6.
2.
You make one up. Look at something that's around you and get something that you can show me. All right, so show me something the same way that I just did. Maybe take, I don't know, what else I have around me. I don't have a lot of things around me. What do I have? Oh, I got, wait. Here we go. So I'm using just what's in my little dish.
Have dish.
Well, I could use the dish, but I only got one. So I have 4 pencils. And I had 2 erasers. I've got how many?
6.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I have 2 erasers and 4 pencils. That's 2 plus 4 equals 6. Or 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right. Now I've got 6 things to write with. Take away 4 pencils. How many erasers?
2.
Right. 6 things to write with. I take away my erasers. How many pencils?
4.
That's right. I want you to do the same thing. I'm going to get out of this. I want you to show me something the same way. Let me take that off. There we go. So I can see everybody's smiling faces. Try something. Find something near you and do an equation. Find something that's close to you. All right, and show it to me. Okay, I see Pooh doing something. What do you got there, Pooh?
2 hearts.
So you have, let's have a look. Put it right in front of the camera. Hold it up again, Pooh, in front of you.
2 pencils. 3 colors.
Okay, so Pooh has 2 pencils and 3 colored pencils, right? Okay, so he has 2 pencils and 3 colored pencils. That's how many total now?
5.
Right. You could do this 2 plus 3 equals 5 or 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right. Or we do subtraction. Who has 5 things to write with?
2.
He takes away 2 pencils. He has
3.
right. Or, and that leaves him 3. Or he takes away these pencils and he has 4 ways to write the same. Good job. Thanks, Pooh. Anybody else want to show me one? T, is that T? Yes, show me T.
I have 2 bottles and 1 pencil. I take 1 pencil away and have 2 bottles.
That's right. So he's got 2 bottles and a pencil. You can write 1 plus 2 equals 3, or 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then if he has 3 things all together, he can do 3 minus 1 equals 2, or 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 ways to write the same thing. Who else wants to show me? It looks like Nanant's got something. What do you got, Nanant? Hold those up again, Nanant. He's got candy. All right, you've got 2 blue, is that right?
3 blue. 3 blue, teacher.
And how many red?
3.
3. Yes? All right, so Nanant has 3 red candy, 3 blue candy. How many does he have?
6.
Right.
6.
Or you can say, Nanant has 6 candy. He takes away the 3 blue ones. How many are left?
Take away. Teacher, may I go to toilet, please?
Yes. Okay, go, Baboon. You're right. Good job. Thanks, Nanant. Anybody else have something they want to show?
Okay, I can that.
You can look for something around you. Good. I see a couple of people looking. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, what do we got? Alice looks like she's putting something together. All right, Alice, what do you have? Show me what you have in your hand, Alice. What do you have? Yeah, you can show them. All right, so Alice has, let's see. How many do you have, Alice? She's got, it looks like 4 pencils. All right, she's still looking. Anybody else have something they want to show? Nobody? Look for something. Look for something that might be around you. Oops. Oh, here we go. All right, what do we got there? We've got how many pencils?
4 pencils.
You got 4 pencils and what else? One eraser?
Yes.
All right, so we have 4 pencils and 1 eraser. How many do we have?
5.
Right. Or we have 1 eraser and 4 pencils. How many do we have?
6.
1 eraser and 4 pencils. 5. You're right. Okay. Or we have 5 things to write with. We take away 4 pencils. How many eraser?
1 pencil.
Excellent. Or we have 5 things. We take away 1 eraser. How many pencils?
4.
Yeah.
4.
Excellent. That's what we need to do. All right. And how do you write that out? 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. All right. 2 ways up and 2 ways down. All right. But if it has the same number like 3 and 3, well, that always equals 6. All right. Everybody understand that part? Good. All right. All right, let's go on to, okay, so on this page, you are going to write one of your own. Okay, so somewhere on this page, on this one, I want you to write 4 equations. All right, so pick something, maybe you've shown me already. All right, in this little space here, you're going to do 4 equations. So I'll use my clips. All right. So I have 3 blue clips. I have 3 blue clips. Oops. And I add 2 more blue clips. Sorry, 2 orange clips, and I have 5. All right, that's one way I can write it. Or I have 2 orange clips. And I add 3 blue clips. That equals 5. And I'm going to do it the other way. So you do the same thing. All right, you're going to write something that has 4 equations. So I got 3 plus 2 equals 5. How do I do it the other way? How would I write that the other way? What do I start with? Who can help me?
5.
You're right. I start with a 5. And I minus what?
3.
Which equals?
2.
Excellent. Or I start with 5.
5.
Minus?
Minus 1. 1. 2. 3.
Equals 3. Okay. So I want you to write something like that on your book, on this page like I did, okay? All right, so you're going to write something on there because I'm going to ask your moms to take a picture of that to send me, okay? So let me zoom out a little bit. All right. So I want you to write something like I wrote. You can do the same or come up with your own. Maybe I use one pencil and one marker. I have one pencil, one marker. How many do I have? I have 2. Okay. Or I have 2 things to write with, and I take away one marker, and I got 1. Okay, so I want you to write something like I did. All right, some of you have already shown me, which great job. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes. I want you to look at something and do this 4 times. Okay, now if you do the same, like if you have 3 plus 3, well, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. You only need 2. Okay? So I'll give you a minute or 2 to do that. Everybody needs to do it like I did on the page, okay? Make sure in this little space here that you can put and show me 4 different equations for really the same thing. Okay? So I'll give you a minute or 2. Everybody, you can do that. Good morning. Huh. Okay, so keep writing something down. I'm trying to find something from our book. All right, perfect. Okay, how did everybody do? Did you get something written down? All right. All right, so what I'll do is show you a few more addition and subtraction. Okay. Go back to our video, show a few more addition and subtraction, then we will move on. All righty, here we go. These are a few more addition and subtraction equations. There we go.
Spider-Man is at the dentist.
At the dentist.
3 more Avengers are waiting.
Sorry, I'm trying to turn off my microphone.
How many Avengers are at the dentist?
4. Why did a Avenger need to
1 plus 3 is
4.
4. There are 7 people in line for popcorn. 5 of them are girls.
It's true. What? 6.
How many boys are in line?
2.
7 minus 5 is
2.
2. Iron Man ordered 8 slices of pizza. He ate 2 of them. How many slices of pizza are left? 8 minus 2 is 6. Halfway to go.
Whoa.
Hang in there.
Okay.
I know you can do it. Stephanie read 4 books in the morning. She read 5 more books at night. How many books did she read in total? 4 plus 5 is 9. Kai baked 3 brown cupcakes.
Ice cream.
He also baked 5 pink cupcakes.
Strawberry.
How many cupcakes did he bake altogether? 3 plus 5 is 8. Rachel bought 10 cookies.
Cookie. Biscuit.
She gave 5 of them to her friends. How many cookies does she have now? 10 minus 5 is 5. The rabbit ate 4 carrots in the morning.
4 carrots.
She ate 4 more carrots in the afternoon.
Yes.
How many carrots did she eat in total?
4.
4 plus 4 is 8. Spider-Man took a nap for 5 hours. He was still sleepy and slept 5 more hours. How long did he sleep in total? 5 plus 5 is 10. Batman and Superman rode a roller coaster. They rode it 8 more times. How many times did they ride in total? 1 plus 8 is 9. Ryder saw 4 ghosts in the graveyard.
Oh no.
He saw 6 more ghosts near the creepy tree. How many ghosts did he see in total? 4 plus 6 is 10. Great job. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Do you see how this?
Okay, good job, everybody. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Sometimes we add, sometimes we subtract.
Yeah, I want to say 5.
All right, so look at the next page.
Oh, no.
All right, so look at your next page.
What? No. Not got to the real page.
There we go. Okay, good. Someone missed a page. Here we go. This is addition again, but it says without grouping. What does that mean? Without grouping? I wonder what without grouping is. Let's have a look. This is grouping. Teacher Michael has 3 green balls. He also has 2 blue balls. How many balls does he have altogether? 3 plus 2 equals
5.
That's grouping. But it can also count. I can also add by adding, by counting. So how that works is I have 3. 1, 2, 3. I have these as well. So let's add these. But I don't add it by group. I add 1 at a time. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can either add by a group or without a group. All right, so you're just adding by counting, really. So let's have a look at this. We call it count on. So here we've got add 13 and 4. So we've got 13. We're adding 4 more. We're adding 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So instead of going 13 plus 4, I count. I'm going to add 4. So I got 4 fingers. Ready? 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so I'm adding by counting how many things I have. All right, that could be 13 plus 4, like this. Or rarely 13 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 ways to do it. Okay. Oh, look at this. All right, this is something brand new we haven't done. All right, this is a way to add. All right, so we're going to add 23 and 14. Now you probably are sitting there going, what's 23 and 14? 23, 20, maybe I use my fingers. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3. Oh, I lost count. 23 plus 14, the numbers are too big. So this is how we add, all right, when you have bigger numbers. So we go down 1 column and the next one. So 23 plus 14, let's figure that out. What's 3 plus 4?
7.
You're right. And what is 2 plus 1? What is 2 plus 1?
3.
Yeah. So 23 and 14 equal 27. Sorry, 37. Okay. So add the 1s and then add the 10s And that is our
ของทีเชอ
number.
ร์นะตรงเท่าไหร่
เดือบวกสองเป็นห้าเดือบวก
So
เป็นเจ็ด
how can we add 13 and 40?
พูดไป1 บวก 4 เป็น
What's 13 plus 40?
สองเจ็ดพัน
Anybody know?
ที่สี่
Let's have a look. Ready? So we put we put these numbers here. 13 plus 40. Let's add it up. What is 3 plus 0? 3. What is 4 plus 1?
5
So,
53
so 13 plus 40 equals 53. When we add it this way, it's better. This is good for bigger numbers. 1 plus 2 is easy. 3 plus 4 is easy. 13, 13. I don't have 13 fingers. 40 fingers. I don't have 40 fingers. Well, this is the way we can add it up, okay? So you put the numbers one on top of the other. So let's say I take a number of 17. I'm just making this up. 17 and 22. What's the total? Who can do that for me? What's this?
9
You're right. And what's this?
3
So
Yes.
17 plus 22 equals
39
39. There you go. All right, that's adding that way, and it's you'll use it much later. We're getting into that. So let's have a look at this one, okay? There are 213 books in the library. Oh my gosh. Mrs. Lim donated 4 books. How many are there? How many books are in the library?
Okay.
213.
21
How many added in the library?
200
Hold on.
213
Hold on. So how many are now in the library?
217
Excellent. You are
17.
right. 217. Okay. So this method is to add up big numbers. Okay. Now you could have also counted from this. Count on. We could have said, because the number's so small, we're only adding 4. But if we were adding 44, right? If I was adding 44, I couldn't do it this way. Okay, but I can get 217, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217. Okay, that way I can add these two numbers, take away the 4. Okay, these two numbers I could have added this way too. Okay, that would be like 213 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 213, 214, 215, 216, 217. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Let's say I change this number. And let's erase this. And instead of we're adding 4 books, they donated 44 books. Let's do a 3, 34 books. Okay. What is 213 plus 34? Who can tell me? What's that?
270.
Let's add these two first. What is 3 plus
247.
Yeah, that is it. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4.
And 4.
You're right. And this one, there's nothing here. So 2 plus 0 is still 2. Okay? That's how we add. Okay? That's a way to add, especially your big numbers. All right? Here's another one. Adding, okay, so that was just what we did up there. You can add 1 at a time instead. That's what we did here. 213 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 to 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, so it's continuing this. Let's continue this one then. What are we doing for time? Oof, we are almost out of time. So let's see if we can get through this one. This one's a little more confusing. Okay. All right, now let's do that next time. It's a little confusing. We're running out of time. So let me get another one here. I want you to help me with this one. All right, so I'm going to take all this away. That one, we'll save that one for next time. All right, so you're going to tell how me to add this. So let's do a big number. Let's do a couple of big numbers. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to say, let's do it this way. 131. Okay, I have 131 pieces of candy. And I found some more. So now I have 26 to add. What's my total? Oops, 26, sorry. And I add 26 pieces of candy I found for Halloween. What's my total? How many do I have?
Oh my God.
How many do I have? You
107. 157.
I think we got it in there. I heard a lot of voices. 6 and 1.
100.
3 plus 2.
5.
1 plus 0.
100.
1.
Because we have 0 here. I could write a 0, but I don't need to. That's like a 0. All right. 131 plus 26 is 157. Awesome. Okay, let's see if we can do another one. Let's pick another one. Let's pick another big number.
No.
700. Oh my gosh. And here's a little sneaky one. 704. Huh? How do you do if there's a 0 there? Let's look. 704. I'm gonna add 22. How much do I have?
7.
Remember, on this way, always add up and down. So who can tell me? 700 and yeah. So what's my total number?
26.
Oh, brilliant. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 7 plus 0 is 7. 726. Good job. I didn't turn very well. All right. So that was a good job, you guys. All right. So that's adding when you have big numbers, okay? So right now, that is really good. You guys did a great job. We'll save this other bit for another time, okay? That's a little too hard to explain. So let's just keep this. Just remember, when you're adding numbers, you're adding like this, you're adding up and down. So if I had 33, 33, and I'm going to add 22, what's my number? Oh, I can't write it down there, so let's do it up here. If I have 33 and I'm adding 22, what's my number? What's 33 plus 22? Remember, you're adding up and down, not across anymore. Who can tell me? 33 plus 22 equals?
55.
Yeah, brilliant. Good job. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 3 plus 2 again is 5. All right, so just remember this one is up and down adding. All right, woof. That's a lot of new information you guys just got. So let me get rid of this.
No, I need to clap.
Okay, that was a lot of new information. Good job. All right, once you do that, woof, now you can do grade 3 and grade 4 math. All
this
right.
is not good, is that?
So that was good. That was excellent. I think I have you guys later today as well. So I'll save my goodbye song for then.
Oh,
yes, I have you for English at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. I have you for English at 2 o'clock.
Bye bye.